Okay, so this time I'm going to teach you how to insert your drawing from the model view. So these are your drawing from the model view into the newly created blueprint paper size. Okay, the first thing to do is you type MView, then specify corner of viewport. So these are the corners 1 and 2. Then after inserting your model view, double click and then uh, move it, pan it, and then look for the perspective and then center the perspective according to your choice. So if you are okay with this size already, you may also use the scale here. Okay, if you are okay with the size, uh, you click outside, double click outside, and that's become permanent. If you want to edit that later on, you double click again inside. Okay, so next is I'm going to show you again how to insert the ground plan of your building. So since this is just a one-story building, okay, the ground plan is will be used. We will just be using the ground plan. So again, I type MView, then the corners here, these are the corners, then double click inside, then look for the uh, ground plan. Again, I have said kanina, I have just said kanina na pwede mong gamitin yung uh, scale. So here, for this example, I'm going to use scale, and the scale is 100, 1 is to 100 scale. Yan. So this is a 1 is to 100 scale already. You use the pan to center, then double click outside. So I have inserted already the perspective drawing and then the ground plan. And now to the 4 elevations, we will do the same as we did to the perspective and ground plan. So here you type again view, my view on the command line window, M view, then the corner, you specify the corner, then look, double click again inside, then look for the front elevation. So that's the front elevation, and use the scale as 1 is to 100. Yan. So that is the size of 1 is to 100. Yan. Then double click outside, and then dito sa baba, you're going to insert the rear elevation. So the same command, my view, then the corners, and then double click, then look for the rear elevation, or simply give the scale here 1 is to 100 scale. So that's the 1 is to 100 scale, then double click. Then next is the front elevation, or I should say the right side elevation. Then uh, M view, you type M view again, then the corners, then double click inside, then look for the right side elevation. Make sure that the scale is set into 1:100. So that's the scale size. Next is the left side elevation. So this must be left side elevation. You change that, left side elevation. Okay, then type M view again for the final view, then enter, then the viewports, the model view, and look for the right side view. Then the scale 1:100, then click outside after inserting your project. So this is how to insert your drawing from the model view into your newly created paper size. For in this case, we have created a, a blueprint paper size as shown in the first video I have uploaded. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again for the next video.